Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PunkAI token. Now this is a token on the Solana blockchain. I saw this trending a couple days in a row on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the PunkAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their official webpage is punkai.meme. This is a Solana token. There is a max total supply of, let's see here, that is 22,222,167,555.6 tokens. It says it is an SPL20 token. And how the token is split up, 45% of the tokens went to pre-sale, 45% liquidity pool, and 10% airdrop. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 20th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Gate. Now, Gate is not available in everyone's country, in everyone's area. So we are going to go over a couple different ways to get the token, but you can get it by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, getting it on your PC at gate.io. Then on March 20th, go into the trade section. After you fund your account with USDT, then you would search PunkAI in the spot trading section and then simply just buy the token. Name of the token is PunkAI, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. There is 6 decimal places on this token. It says, PunkAI meme the future. Dive into digital disruption with PunkAI, where Elon's vision meets cryptocurrency. Join us and meme your way to the forefront of the blockchain revolution. Ride the Musk wave to crypto glory with PunkAI, your wallet's ticket to Mars. PunkAI 2024. Our advantage? Trade boring for bold with PunkAI's meme magic. Fast, fund, and Musk level disruptive. Meet PunkAI where memes mint money and Elon's swagger fuels the crypto hustle. So, the way it's meant to be played, and then it has a contract address on their webpage. It has a couple different contact emails, punkaisol@outlook.com and punkai@punkai.meme. So a couple contact emails for you. At the top of their page, they have a Twitter, they have a Telegram, they have a Buy Here button, DEX Tools chart, Bird Eye, DEX Screener. And yeah, so the Buy Here button is going to take you to RAYDIUM. So if you can't use Gate in your country, or you just don't want to use a centralized exchange, you want to get it in a decentralized way, you can get this token by, first of all, you need like a Phantom wallet or a Soulflare wallet, any wallet that holds Solana tokens. And you would fund that wallet with Sol, then go into the dApps and find RAYDIUM. Or you could just go to their webpage, punkai.meme, and click Buy Here. That'll take you to RAYDIUM as well. And then you just connect your wallet if you click the Buy Here button. And then, yeah, you would trade your SOL for the PunkAI token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage. You could also find it on their Telegram. and then you just get the token. So their Telegram is at @punk_AI. They have 7,672 Telegram members. 402 of them are online. It says PunkAI is a culture, not just a meme coin. And then it has the contract address. So that's a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk to them about the project, see updates, all sorts of things like that. Also, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. They have, let me just open it up here. There we go. They have 194,300 Twitter followers. So it says they're also followed by BITRUE and CoinEx Global. And I do have referral codes to BITRUE and CoinEx Global down there in the description box. So most likely when listing sites follow coins, it's because they're going to be listed there. So check out the CoinEx Global BITRUE referral and BITRUE referral codes down there, because this token may be listed there as well. Maybe if Gate's not available in your area, then those two might be. And yeah, that's a lot of followers, almost 200,000 followers. Has a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. Their Twitter is at PunkAISOL, and has the contract address there. 91 tweets so far. It says PunkAI is a culture and not just a meme coin. And in their pinned tweets, they have like a full link tree as well that's got all the links in it. It says airdrops coming out as we speak. And that was from March 17th. So that was just yesterday. So on Gate 2, where it's being listed, they do have a startup event that you can get involved with that goes from March 19th, 7 a.m. UTC time, until March 20th, 7 a.m. UTC time. And it's a subscription event here. You can click on it. They call it the Startup Free Offering, where there's a reward pool, an airdrop pool of $50,000. So if you want to get involved with that, go to @GateIO_startup on Twitter, and you will see the listing announcement, or PunkAI retweeted it. So if you just go to that Twitter right there, you're going to see the startup event as well. So yeah, this token was trending on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. They have a $7.74 million market cap, $3.8 million in liquidity on RAYDIUM, 28,970 holders, a 24-hour trading volume right now of $6.98 million. And yeah, just doing very well, this token. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.